Dear friends, in today's modern life filled with pressure, insomnia, difficulty sleeping, and prolonged stress have become major concerns for many people. Today, Song Kwe Moinge will share with you a natural, simple, yet highly effective method, using basil tea, a type of herb that is both easy to find and safe for your health. The ingredients you need to prepare are very simple. You just need 20 grams of fresh basil leaves, equivalent to a small handful. Basil leaves should be selected fresh, vibrant green, without bruising, and before use, rinse thoroughly under running water to remove dirt and any possible chemicals. If fresh leaves are not available, you can alternatively use 1 tablespoon of dried basil, which is convenient yet maintains the medicinal properties. Additionally, you will need about 800 to 1,000 cl of clean filtered water, roughly equivalent to 2 large glasses, easy to measure at home. And if you want your tea to be more fragrant, sweet, and easier to drink, prepare an additional teaspoon of pure honey. Why can basil support sleep and reduce stress? According to scientific studies, basil leaves contain many valuable bioactive compounds such as eugenol, flavonoids, linalool, and natural essential oils. Eugenol helps soothe the nervous system, has natural anti-inflammatory properties, and reduces stress and anxiety. Flavonoids are powerful antioxidants that protect nerve cells from oxidative stress. Linalool is a naturally aromatic compound capable of relaxing the nervous system, supporting deeper sleep, and alleviating mild insomnia symptoms. Notably, basil also helps regulate cortisol, the body's stress hormone, thus providing a natural state of relaxation, reducing restlessness and anxiety. Moreover, basil supports immune system enhancement, reduces inflammation, protects heart health, and improves digestion, all factors indirectly affecting our sleep quality significantly. Making basil tea is very simple. First, put all 20 grams of cleaned basil leaves into a small pot. Add about 800 to 1,000 milliliters of clean filtered water. Turn on the stove to medium heat, and once the water begins to simmer gently, reduce the heat to low and continue simmering for another 5 to 7 minutes, just enough time to release all the beneficial compounds from the basil without losing their valuable nutrients. After simmering, turn off the stove and let the tea naturally cool down for about 10 minutes. At this point, use a fine strainer to remove the leaf residue, retaining only the clear, pale yellow tea, with a gentle fragrance. If desired, you can add a teaspoon of pure honey while the tea is still warm to enhance the flavor and relaxation effects. You should drink about 200 milliliters of basil tea each day. The best time to consume it is in the evening, roughly 1 hour before bedtime. Drinking it while the tea is still warm will help calm the nervous system, slow down your heart rate, create a feeling of relaxation, and naturally guide you into a deeper sleep. Maintain this habit consistently for about 3 to 5 days and listen carefully to the positive changes happening in your body. Here are a few small reminders for you. Women who are pregnant, breastfeeding, or those undergoing treatment with sedative or blood pressure medications should consult their doctor before regularly using basil tea. Additionally, if you have a history of herbal allergies, try a small amount first before consuming regularly. Always remember that proper and moderate usage will bring lasting health benefits. To enhance your sleep quality, combine this with a scientific lifestyle. Limit exposure to electronic devices before bedtime. Establish a consistent sleeping schedule. Create a quiet bedroom with gentle lighting. Add sleep-supporting foods like bananas, lotus seeds, salmon, natural yogurt, and maintain gentle daily exercise such as walking or yoga to relieve accumulated stress. Dear friends, basil tea is not just a simple gift from nature, but also a quiet companion in our journey of mental health care. We hope today's sharing will offer you an additional small tip for better sleep and a healthier life each day. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to press like, leave a comment with the number 1, and subscribe to the Song Kwe Moinge channel to encourage us to share more health tips. Wishing you and your family continued peace, good health, and an abundance of positive energy. See you in the next videos. Next, we would like to share 4 daily habits that silently destroy your kidneys. Dear friends, according to urology experts from the Clinical Medicine Center, the kidneys are extremely important organs that help filter out harmful substances from the body and maintain internal balance. When kidney function is damaged, the filtration ability will decline, leading to toxin buildup and negatively affecting overall health. Prolonged kidney damage that is not promptly treated can lead to kidney failure, requiring dialysis or kidney transplantation to sustain life. Moreover, chronic kidney disease increases the risk of cardiovascular diseases and accelerates aging, leading to a higher risk of premature death. So specifically, what seemingly harmless daily habits are quietly destroying our kidneys? And how can we prevent it before it's too late? Let's explore together in today's video with Song Kwe Moinge. 1. Eating too salty. Dear friends, the habit of eating salty food seems harmless, but is actually one of the silent causes of severe kidney damage. Salt, also known as sodium chloride, when consumed in large amounts, increases osmotic pressure in the blood, forcing the kidneys to work harder to eliminate excess sodium. When the kidneys are overloaded for extended periods, kidney cells quickly become damaged, and the natural blood filtering function gradually deteriorates over time. Not only that, consuming excessive salt also increases the risk of hypertension, and high blood pressure is the leading cause of chronic kidney disease and kidney failure. The World Health Organization recommends that each adult should only consume a maximum of about 5 grams of salt per day, equivalent to 1 small teaspoon. However, in reality, many people consume double or even triple the recommended amount without realizing it, especially through processed foods, canned goods, instant noodles, or dipping sauces. To protect your kidneys, you should gradually reduce the amount of salt in your daily meals. Prioritize natural spices like onions, garlic, and lemon to enhance flavor, and develop the habit of tasting food before adding extra salt. Starting from small changes, you will help your kidneys stay healthy and strong every day. 2. Eating too much protein. Dear friends, protein is essential for the body, but consuming too much, especially from red meat, seafood, or full-fat dairy, inadvertently places heavy pressure on the kidneys. When protein intake exceeds the body's needs, the kidneys have to work extremely hard to handle metabolic products such as urea and uric acid, gradually weakening their natural blood filtering function. Studies show that healthy adults should only consume about 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. To protect your kidneys, you should balance your protein intake by combining animal protein with plant-based sources such as soybeans, mung beans, and red beans, while limiting excessive consumption of red meat and animal organs. A balanced diet with appropriate protein intake will help your kidneys function more smoothly and prolong the natural lifespan of your body. Eating lots of fried foods and fast food. Dear friends, fried foods and fast food have become increasingly popular in modern life, not only due to their convenience, but also their delicious taste. However, frequently overindulging in these types of foods quietly causes severe kidney damage. Fried foods contain large amounts of saturated fats, trans fats, and very high levels of sodium salt. When introduced into the body, these substances increase bad cholesterol levels in the blood, leading to artery blockage and hindering blood flow to the kidneys, causing them to lack the necessary oxygen and nutrients to maintain their blood filtering function. Moreover, excess sodium found in fast foods elevates blood pressure, forcing the kidneys to constantly work at high intensity to maintain electrolyte balance, thereby rapidly wearing down kidney function. Some studies show that eating fast food just 3 times per week over a prolonged period can increase the risk of developing chronic kidney disease by up to 30% compared to individuals who eat healthily. To protect your kidneys and overall health, you should minimize your consumption of oily fried foods and prepackaged fast foods, and instead prioritize steamed, boiled, or lightly grilled dishes, along with a diet rich in vegetables, fresh fruits, and whole grains. A simple, natural diet will make your body feel lighter and truly allow your kidneys to rest. 4. arbitrarily taking painkillers and antibiotics over a long period. Dear friends, the habit of arbitrarily using painkillers or antibiotics for mild symptoms without a medical consultation is silently harming your kidneys. These medications, especially non-steroidal pain relievers, like ibuprofen, when taken in excess or for prolonged periods, can overload the kidneys, easily leading to damage to kidney cells and a decline in their blood filtering function. Some studies have found that people who abuse painkillers long-term have a 2 to 3 times higher risk of acute kidney failure compared to those who use medications properly, according to instructions. To protect your kidneys, you should minimize self-medication, only using medications under a doctor's guidance, and strictly follow the prescribed dosage.